So welcome to Colombo Ironman 70.3, which is going to happen on 22nd of February without swimming. So I'm your host, Explore with Avinash, and we are going to race today in Colombo. Explore with Avinash will explore the routes of Colombo. The swim got cancelled. We are only going to bike and run today. 90 kilometer of bike and 21 kilometer of run. So 70.3 distance oftenly called as 1.9 kilometer of swim, 90 kilometer of cycling, and 21 kilometer of running. This is approximately my 10th, 11th or 12th 70.3 distance. One only in Ironman and rest all the local Indian triathlons. So not a new thing for me, but yeah, the first time I'm not swimming in triathlon. So that's a new thing. So this is the setup of transition. This is first time I'm experiencing because I've done Goa only the half distance and Malaysia the full distance where the transition bags were allowed. In this setup there is no transition bag. Everything needs to be kept just below your bike without any bags or without any poly bags. So there's a chance, like I'm afraid of, that it may mix up the things with the neighbors or the cycles which is just beside you, because this is very close setup. So this is a new kind of experience for me, and I checked that this is very common in all 70.3 races happening all across the world. So let's get this feeling. I have bring this bag because I was not sure कि क्या करना है, but let's explore. So our bike, everything is fixed. The gel, the energy bars, everything in this bag. One bottle of electrolyte, fungicide, pump. Lube I have done yesterday only, so it rained heavily during the entire night. So might have lube got washed away, but I have applied enough, so it should be there. Now this is going to be a first experience for me to keep the setup like this without any bag or without any tray. But we'll explore this. So like something similar to this, people are keeping their stuff, no bags, no any trays. Just on the floor. Submit now because this has my changing clothes and some unused stuff. So that's the normal thing now. And this we will get at the finish line, because finish line is not this one. Finish line is somewhere else. Everyone is getting ready then. The nervous is normal. This is the truck where you will keep our street gear bags, and we'll get after the finish. And so now I'll keep my camera because there is no swim, so we'll go directly to the bike and meet you in the finish line, guys. So here in Colombo, the bike leg is going to be a staggered start, starting from the lane 5 to lane 4 to lane 3 to lane 1. I'm in the second last lane, so I'll start pretty much late. The start time is 7:05. The start time is 7:05. So that's we need to mind. Lots of fancy bike you see.
So cycling leg is going to start, guys. It's a 3-loop course where we are going to ride within the port city Colombo, little bit on the Golface Road and on Marine Drive. So here we are expecting lots of headwind and crosswind, so maintaining aero position is the key here. We see the pro riders have started, followed by the amateur riders, and everyone is excited to complete their cycling on this flat and fast course. Fast but in aero position. So waiting to finish it. pro riders are expected to finish within 2 hours or slightly more than 2 hours. Amateur like me will finish in 3 hours. So yeah, we can see these pro riders have already finished it and preparing for their transition. Run is going to be hot and humid because by the time everyone will start run, it will be somewhere around 10 or 10:30, mainly for the amateur category athletes. So humidity will be on the peak because entire night it was raining. So temperature will be little bit less, but cooling using water, using ice is going to be critical during the race. I myself did lots of water pouring on my body, ice, sponge, wet sponge, everything to come finish our ride, finish our run. Yeah. So but it was like a walk run kind of thing for me, and I took almost 2 hours 18 minutes to complete the run. And finishing Ironman is one of the moment which everyone live for, because the word that you are an Ironman will blow up your mind and fill you with lots of happiness within yourself and the spectator, the family who is waiting to cheer you or waiting to see you on the finish line. So medal was beautiful. Towel also we got of Ironman branding.
We saw this lady at our race precinct yesterday. She crosses eyes today. Got up for Maureen Ebony from Great Britain, but she does have the strength to get on. From that championship, here comes Mr. Seniaki. Well done to Santoro. And side by side, we got Dennis and Yamina Kapoor, husband and wife, happy couple. Sir, she beat you by 1 second. Right over to see Miss Sawat from India as well.
अच्छा हुआ, बढ़िया हुआ. All good. Siddesh also finished. I was watching you running, Siddesh. So all in all, not a good event for me. Why? Like recently, my running was very good in all the events, but here I messed it up. I was expecting 2 hours, but it took almost 2 hours 18 minutes somewhere. So that's the running. It was because of the heat, although it was raining in the morning, like in the cycling time. I think in the second loop we saw some drizzles as well, but that didn't help in the running.
Yeah, we're expecting rain.
And because of that rain, that cloud, the crosswind and headwind was horrible, and there we messed it up. I tried.
Was horrible.
Yeah, I tried to maintain the pace, speed over 30 and slightly pushing. But no regret, जो हुआ वो हुआ. स्विमिंग कैंसिल होने के बाद ऐसे भी बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट रह नहीं गया था, बिकॉज जो भी टाइम आता that was not apple to apple comparison for other 70.3 distances. So ठीक था, ख़त्म किया. वॉक रन पूरा वॉक रन की स्ट्रैटेजीज पे ही किया. ये जो आपको पोल्स दिख रहे हैं, इलेक्ट्रिक पोल्स, इसको मेजर करके ही हमने सारा कुछ किया. सो फर्स्ट लूप 4 पोल रन, 1 पोल वॉक और नहाना, मतलब लाइक बाथिंग एवरी एड स्टेशन. दैट वाज आल्सो नॉट वेरी कंसिस्टेंट बिकॉज जब हम गोल्फ फेस रोड पे गए वहाँ पे एक भी वाटर स्टेशन नहीं था. दैट स्ट्रेच where it was maximum exposure, that stretch was maximum exposed, and there should have been one ice station or cold water station. But ठीक है, these are the learnings. And one more thing, I followed the penalty for first time. I got blue card while riding. because of drafting. They told I was drafting, but it was like one more guy was with same speed of mine. So what to do? आगे पुश भी नहीं कर सकते थे, आगे पीछे हो रहा था. बट एक्चुअली वी वर नॉट ड्राफ्टिंग. अलग अलग लाइन में, वो लेफ्ट लेन में था, मैं राइट लेन में था. एंड दैट वाज. सो बैक टू द ट्रांजिशन एरिया गाइस. सब speed gear bags collected, and now we'll pack our cycle and everything and head towards the hotel. And here is our cycle. So let's see what we have to do. All in all, not a good race. Performance wise, rest everything is good. Performance not satisfactory. Enjoyed but riding and cycling. Beautiful scenic routes, beautiful scenic runs, lots of cheers, lots of expectations. So chalo, all the best for the next event.